Helicopter rotor failure.
Oh no! The fire alarm is ringing! There is a big fire in the forest! Let's go! Oh no, I can't fly!
What's wrong?
Sorry, my rotor is broken. I can't take off.
I'll call other helicopters for help. You go to the repair center right now.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Oh, the fire helicopter sent a rescue signal. Let's hurry and help. Welcome to the TinkerBot Repair Center.
I need to help put out a forest fire, but my rotor won't spin.
Oh, please go to the repair room right away.
Okay.
Oh no, there are cracks in the blades and some screws are loose.
What? I didn't know that.
Don't worry, I can fix it. First, I will weld the cracks. Then, I'll fix the broken parts. Next, I'll tighten the loose screws. I also need to change the old battery. Finally, I'll put on a new landing gear. All done! Now let's wash it. Size medium. Pollutant is that's it. Dirt level, medium. First, rinse with clean water. Then add soap. Scrub it clean. Blow dry with warm air. Finally, wax and polish. Wow, it's shiny.
Thank you. Great job. Wow, thank you so much. I feel like new again.
You're welcome. Next time, remember to do regular checkups.
Yes, I will.
The forest fire is still waiting.
I'm off right now. Bye-bye.
Bye.